Good day, YouTubers. Regar here from Regar's Garage and Boat Basin. Today we're going to work on the Grady White. We've survived tornadoes, thunderstorms, 2 inches of rain. Now we can get back to work on the boat. I'm going to take and start cleaning out the inside in preparation for reconfiguring the layout of the boat. I hope you enjoy this episode, and thanks for watching. Okay, I'm taking apart the inside of the Grady White. There was some, in here was a teak insert full of drawers, and here it was full of trash. Same thing in this space right here. I took out the panels. This right here is where all the instrumentation was. You can see a little bracket mounted here. This right here was things like keys, steering wheel. I have no idea what was here. Probably a gear shift over here and a VHF radio here. I pulled out, I got these two pedestals here where the seats are. If you take a look, this appears to be, it's a vented well. Out here was a with two drawers. There was like an insert, and of course it was always helpful that the screws that hold the seat in penetrated the insert, made it difficult to get out. But it appears this platform, or these platforms here, were made as an add-in piece and then dropped in on top of the hull and tabbed in. So there's not actually a floor underneath there. If you look close, like right here, you can see that it goes into the underfloor area. I've got this one open, and then I just pulled up this panel right here, and yes sirree, there is a big gas tank under there. So that's what we've done so far today. My real task, although we're just doing busy work right now, is extending the Coosa board on the transom on both of the sides. I want to extend it up, the Coosa up to the gunnels like I have put in. And so I need to be adding some, I have to cut out some of the liner and then add in additional Coosa board because I want it to tab into the hull. Okay, till next time. So here's all the things I pulled out of the Grady White. There was a teak drawer assembly with no drawers, anchor with a rope, canvas cover, likely for the bow rider section, a drawer insert, inch thing. It's made of starboard, and then I had a series of covers. The white fiberglass ones are kind of what I expected, but then I had some black starboard parts all through the boat. I don't know if Grady White used the starboard originally or not. These were the kind of the covers I would expect would be these kind, made out of fiberglass, although that's more of a hatch. It's not a door. That was the hatch over one of the wells behind the seats. But the rest of these were all starboard, black starboard. Well, plus I also dug out a whole bunch of teak. That basically shows my progress on the Grady White on the interior. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and please like this episode. Thanks for watching.